This defendant thinks he's settling a few tickets, but the prosecutor drops a bombshell. He has 9 cases, and the judge is not in a patient mood.
Judge, Mr. Gist is going to accept the offer extended by the city, which is to plead guilty to an amended charge of failure to display a valid license on ticket ending 711, 71 count 1, and then to plead to amended charges of two counts of improper plates on tickets ending 8-2 and 8-3. I'm sorry, 5-8 count 2 and 5-8 count 3. The balance of the tickets to be dismissed.
Now, what was the first one?
It was SP 1196711. He would plead to an amended charge of failure to display a valid license.
So three misdemeanors, 1 failure to display and 2 improper plates. Is that correct?
Yes, Judge. Yes.
The defendant is confused and starts to question the deal.
Up?
Yeah.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the records?
They said if I presented my insurance and my registration, someone would be dismissed as well.
Did you present that to him?
I have it right here. Judge.
Did you let the attorney know
Yes,
that?
I did.
So, Judge, I spoke with Ms. Horn, and with respect to the documentation that Mr. Gist has, she indicated this is her offer. She will do 3 amended counts and dismiss 6.
No worries. It's just so much. There's so much difference in city attorneys. She's right here too. I see. All right. You still want to take the deal?
The judge tries to move forward, but the defendant isn't done.
June the 10th, 2023, at around 12:55 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Rutherford and Florida. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, I did. Made a right turn. I don't think I had my license that day.
All right. Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, I was.
Officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license.
I didn't have one.
You didn't have it. All right. I find you guilty of the amended count of failure to display. Did the officer ask you to produce valid registration and insurance?
I had it at that time.
You had it at that time?
Yes, sir. Didn't have license.
So, Judge, it's a different date. The 2 IPs are a different date.
He got written for this date for no invalid insurance or registration.
I'm not sure which ticket you're looking at.
On June the 10th, 2023.
I had it. I had just got.
Judge, what's the ticket number?
Hold on, please. Let me do this.
I
I
had just
understand what the plea is.
I had just gotten my car and I had just got insurance on it. I just didn't have a license that time. I was on the Cure Auto.
All right. What date didn't you have insurance?
In a couple times, I can't remember the dates. I know it was Judge, I don't know.
Let me see the valid insurance that you have now.
Tamika Horn on behalf of the city of Detroit, P70303. Mr. Gist has 9 cases around there. We're giving him a solid deal of 3 improper plates, or at least 1 failure to display, 2 improper plates. The people are not moving for dismissal because he has documents today. There were only 3 cases, understood, but there are 9.
All right. What about on October? Let's start that. What about on July the 11th? Let me carry your attention back to July the 11th of 2023 at around 9:12 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of westbound McNichols and LaShore. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact?
No, I don't remember that day. I don't remember that day. I don't know. I just take the plea, get this on way. Everybody get out of here.
Your Honor, with the court entertaining a no contest plea.
I can. If the officer told you that they pulled you over on that date, would you have any issue with, that day, with, any objection to that?
The prosecutor steps in with a solid deal to end the confusion.
I know it was, Judge, I don't know.
Let me see the valid insurance that you have now.
Tamika Horn on behalf of the city of Detroit, P70303. Mr. Gist has 9 cases, Your Honor. We're giving him a solid deal of 3 improper plates, or at least 1 failure to display, 2 improper plates. The people are not moving for dismissal because he has documents today. There were only 3 cases, understood.
Now the argument shifts to when he has to pay the fines.
The 240 is what I'm concerned about. When can you pay the 240?
What's that ticket that's on?
That failure to display, you just pled guilty to.
I need at least about 35 days, Your Honor.
We'll give you 30 days.
All right.
30 days to either pay it or get into a payment plan.
Okay, I can
And
do
you don't
that.
have to come back here. If you don't pay it, just go to warrants gonna be put out for your arrest. 2025, a mark in the file allow. Payment plan, you can pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the 2 best ways I can tell you to pay it.
Okay,
And then, Judge, in order to get on a payment plan, Mr. Gist would have to physically bring $60 to the court, correct?
I don't know. I thought it was 20%. Maybe they changed it because I can see these, the other cases have not put up to 20%, but you have to go downstairs. They can get some information on how you get into that payment plan. All right?
but look, how long do I got to pay that 240? How long do I have? Can you just give me a flat out time to pay the 240?
October 6th.
October 6th, all right, I get that, I get it down.
October 6th. All right? You're trying to get a valid license, you need to pay that insurance.
See, October 6th.
October 6th. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck
After
to
a
you.
tense back and forth, the defendant finally accepts the terms. This chaotic plea shows just how quickly things can escalate in court.